Hey everyone and welcome back again, and in this video I'm going to show how you can invite your customers to your private channel automatically. So guys, many business owners create private channels to keep their audience updated and engaged. So they create Slack channels, Discord channels or Telegram channels, etc. So guys, here I'm going to show how you can automatically invite those customers as and when they are going to make a payment for any of your product through Stripe payment gateway application. Okay, so it will surely help you in saving your time. Here you need not to manually sort out the customers and add them or invite them into your channel manually. So it will improve your productivity and it will boost your business as well. So let me show you how this is going to work. So to set up this automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, you can set up the automation here without any coding skills and programming knowledge in just few steps very easily. So guys, you have to start by reaching the dashboard here. And to reach here, you can use the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so sign up right now and log in to reach here. And on this page, you have to click on this create workflow button. And here you can give any suitable name to your workflow. So I'm giving the name here as invite Stripe customers to private channel. Okay, right, so after giving the name, just click on create and you can see your workflow is getting loading, and you can see the your workflow is ready here. And on this page you will see the trigger and the action. So our automation work on these two things. So the trigger is the happening of that event which is going to trigger or start this workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. As in our use case, the trigger would be any payment that you are receiving from Stripe for any product, and the action would be to invite the customers via an email to your private channel. So here we are taking the example of Telegram channel that we have created here. So this is a channel testing channel I have created, and here I'm going to show you how you can invite your customers to this channel. Okay, now first of all you have to set up the trigger, and from here, from this choose app field, you have to choose a trigger application first. So here I want to trigger this workflow on payment happening from Stripe. So Stripe is our trigger application. Search for it, select it, and in the trigger event select new charge options. So it will trigger when someone's credit card is charged. Okay, and it will give you this URL. This is called as a webhook URL, guys, and with the help of this we are going to make the connection with Stripe application. Okay, so you have to follow these instructions written here to make this connection. Let me show you how exactly we can do this. So guys, let me show you my payment applications dashboard, which is Stripe. Okay, and under the Stripe we are in the test mode. Okay, and here you need to click on developers option, and in the developers option you will find this webhooks tab here. Click on webhooks, and under the webhooks section here you have to click on add endpoint button. Click on add endpoint, and in this endpoint URL you have to paste the webhook URL that you got in your workflow. So this is my webhook URL. Just copy this from here and paste it here in the endpoint URL field like this. Okay, you can put a description for this as well. Now click on this select events button. Click on select events, and let's read the instructions. You have to select an event which is this charge.succeeded. Okay, let me show you. So here we have all these options available. Click on this charge option and it will show you a list of the things here, and from here you have to select the event as charge.succeeded. Just check this box. Okay, then click on add events. Okay, you can see the event is selected here. Now click on add endpoint button, and you can see we have added a new endpoint here in Stripe. Okay, So we are done making the connection, and here you can see as I have copied this webhook URL, it started showing waiting for the webhook's response. So this means now we are going to capture the webhook's response, and that will act as a test submission for us. So we are going to make a test payment manually from Stripe, and we are going to capture the test data here, and with the help of that data we are going to move forward in this automation. Okay, so guys, here let me show you. I have some payment links created already inside Stripe. Okay, and here I have this payment link for this customized t-shirt that I'm selling. Okay, for example, so this is the payment link. Now here let me enter the details of any of my customer. So this is one of my customers' email address. Here I'm in the test mode, so I'm going to use test card details. You will find the test card details here in the Stripe documentation. For India, the test card details are these. I'm just copying this and I'm putting it here. Now let me put other details as well. And the customer's name, let's say, is Ritu Sharma, and this is the country in which she belongs. Now I'm clicking on pay here. No thanks. Okay, and you can see my payment is getting processed here. So you can see my payment is successful. It is showing thank you for your payment. Okay, now let's see in our workflow if we got the data of this test payment got captured or not. And you can see in this response we got the test payments data as this. Here it is showing the charge, the amount captured, and the country code, the customer details as this. Okay, and related details of the payments are captured here like this. Okay, so guys, here you can see in this response only the details of the amount that we captured here is 30,000, but actually the payment was done of 300 rupees, not 30,000 rupees. But guys, Pabbly Connect did not capture the decimal point from external application. So here it is showing 30,000. That means with 2 extra zeros it is showing the amount. So guys, we can correct this amount detail by using a feature of Pabbly Connect which is called number formatter. Okay, so we are going to use this action step, and from here search for number formatter, and with the help of this feature we can format the numbers. Okay. So in the action event, select here perform math operation, and we are going to perform a math operation which is division, and we are going to divide 30,000 with 100, so we'll get the corrected amount. Okay, so click on connect here, and now it is asking the numbers and the operation. So in the operation I'm going to select divide, and here in the numbers label I am going to map this label in which we have received the amount here in the first step, this one, the data object amount label. Okay, so to map this label here, just come here and click on this numbers field, and you will see this Stripe new charge option in the drop down, and from here only you can see the data that you have received from the first step. So from here only I'm going to map this label like this. Okay, and now I want to divide this number with 100. Okay, to remove these extra 2 zeros. So for that to happen, just put a comma here and then put 100. So it will divide this number by this number. Okay, click on save and send test request, and you will see the corrected amount in the result label. Okay, so we got the corrected amount. Now what we want, guys, we want to invite this customer whose data we have received into our private channel which we have in Telegram application. You can use any other application as well, like Slack or Discord. Okay, so for that to happen we need to connect. First of all, just click here on this plus icon. So guys, to invite the person on Telegram channel, we are going to use an email. With the help of Gmail application we are going to send an email, and in that email we are going to send the invite link or the link of our channel. Okay, so from here select Gmail application, and in the action event select email, then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection, then click on connect with Gmail. Okay, so from this window you have to select that Gmail account by which you want to send that invitation email to your customer. So I am selecting the account here, Then you have to provide some additional access to Pabbly Connect to make this connection. Just click on continue, and you can see the authorization is successful and we are now connected. And here it is asking the recipient's email address. Okay, so here I'm going to use the data that I have received in the first step to enter the email address of the recipient or the person to whom we want to send the email. So here you can see in the data we have received the email address of the test customer as well. Okay, so I'm going to map this label here in the recipient field in the email step. Okay, just click here, and from this first step map the email address label like this. Okay, and if you want to put someone, so right now we do not want to put someone in CC or BCC, so you can leave these things blank. In the sender name you can enter the name of your company, or okay, or anyone from your team. So I'm entering here team Pabbly just for the example. Okay, so in the email subject you can put the email subject as thank you for your payment, something like this. Okay, and reply to, you can leave this reply field blank, and in the email content type select the content as plain content, and in the email content field you can type the email that you want to send to your customer. So it will be a standard email for all our customers. So let me type the mail here. So guys, here I have typed the email for my customers like this. You can see, hello, we have successfully received your payment of. Thank you for choosing us. As you are a valuable customer to us, we would like to invite you to our exclusive customer only Telegram channel. Please click on the link to join our channel. This is the link of the channel. And here I have left some spaces in which I am going to map the labels that we have received here in the first step of the test customer. Okay. So here you can see after hello, I want to address the name of the person to whom we are sending this email. So here I am going to map the name label, and you will find the name label here like this. Okay. After this, we have received the successful payment of. Here I am going to map the amount that we have received, and you will get the corrected amount from the second step, not from the first step. We have corrected the amount here in the second step. So map this result label here. Okay, and this is it. So this is how you can create an email. And when you map the data like this, what will happen in real time whenever you get any payment from Stripe, these labels are going to change accordingly, and a new email will be delivered to the new customer, okay, with the new details. So that's why it is necessary to map this data, map these labels. Okay, now you can check your connection with your Gmail application by clicking on save and send test request, and the email will be delivered to this customer at this email address. So I have the access of this email address, so I can show you how the email will look like. Okay, so guys, this is the Gmail inbox of my customer, and let's check our connection. Here I'm going to click on save and send test request, and let's see what happens. And this is the response we have received here. Now let me show you the inbox, and here you can see we have received a new email, and it is from Team Pabbly. It is saying thank you for your payment, and it is saying hello Ritu Sharma, we have successfully received your payment of 300. Thank you for choosing us. And here you can see we have the link of the Telegram channel, and from here only my customer can join my Telegram channel like this. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, guys. Our connection is working fine, and we are done setting up this automation. So guys, you have to set up this automation only once like this, by connecting Stripe in the trigger, and by making this connection, capture the test payments data like this. After this, apply number formatter to get the correct payment details automatically. So we have mapped the amount label here. This means whenever you get a new amount in real time, this label is going to change, and you will get the corrected amount every time here in the result label. Okay, after that I connected Gmail application in the action step to send email to our customers, and we mapped the details labels of our customer like this. Okay, and we have typed the email like this, and we are done. So guys, you can use this same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description, so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.